amigos, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Arequipa. I just came here yesterday by an overnight bus. Previously, I asked people where is the best place to hang out in Peru for a longer time. They told me Lima, Cusco, as well as Arequipa. Yesterday, I went out and fell in love with this place already. It's like a bit of Oaxaca City in Mexico and Antigua in Guatemala. Arequipa is so beautiful, as well as the weather. It's a bit cool, but it's not cold. But during the day, the sun is so nice and warm. Besides, I booked this very comfy Airbnb apartment. Let me show to you guys. Welcome to my apartment. This is a bathroom, very nice. It got a rain shower. The water is nice and hot. You see it up there? There's some sunlight can go through from the ceiling, so I don't have to turn on the light. During the daytime, this apartment is pretty bright. It has a window here, an open kitchen with fridge, a microwave, stove, very big kitchen, and I can work here. There's a sofa. I haven't sat on the proper sofa for a long time. TV, and over here there's a balcony. Let me pull the curtain so I can show you. Alright. See? The weather's so nice. Over here, that's my bedroom. A very big closet, double bed, another TV, and then a big window. I like it very bright. The terrace is amazing too. Let's go up. Alright, so here is the kitchen, because downstairs they have some rooms for rent, so people can share the kitchen here. On the other side, that's the laundry room. Let's pass through this. Yes, there's a washer. I used it yesterday. And I don't know why there's a toilet here. And it is connected. So I don't know who's going to use this. Interesting. A very comfy residential area. And the view. Guys. Okay. That's the misty volcano, and this one I can't remember the name, but can you see the white stuff on the top? So that mountain is pretty cool up there. And lots of plants, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this area is where I can chill in the afternoon, and they have some weights here. Maybe I have to do some exercise. Wow. I'll be here for another 10 days, so now I need to go to the market to get some groceries. Playa in Spanish means beach, but here it also means parking lot. But taxis are everywhere here. Yesterday I took a taxi from Cusco bus station to my place. It cost me 12 soles, which is around $3. We come to this, I'm not sure if I can call it as a park, but it's very nice. Is it a tennis court? There's a basketball field, and then a soccer field, a swimming pool.
Maybe it's a clubhouse or a recreational area, but it looks very classy. If the ground is not like that, I will come here to run every morning. This is my way to go to downtown. It's very peaceful here, but once you pass through this park, it's a little bit chaotic. To be honest with you, I feel way much safer here. Wow, you guys look so pretty. Oh, that's a chess table. American Express Visa Mastercard. So touristy. We have to pass through this bridge. It's very spacious, very clean. That's a river. And that's misty. See, there's a lot of taxis here. A lot of local buses in Arequipa. It is called a white city not only because it uses a lot of white stones to do the constructions and buildings. It's also because there are a lot of white people. Here comes the Toyota car. I have to put my camera away for a while. It looks totally different. It looks like Antigua. Before going to the market, I need to head to the travel agency first because there are a few tours that I would like to go. What are you doing here? Block the road? This is a tourist bus. Let me ask for some information. Because I am a tourist, right? The bus costs 30 soles. It's a little bit pricey. In front of me, they block the road, so there will be no car. This part is a bit like the downtown in Oaxaca City. So what do you guys think? It looks like Antigua in Guatemala or Oaxaca City in Mexico? Leave me a comment down below. Oh, they are filming. I have to find my travel agency. Where it is? Oh, this is a church. And we almost arrived at the plaza, which is the central area of Arequipa. There are lots of travel agencies in this building. Apparently the one I'm looking for is on the 3rd floor. But let's explore. Why not? Oh, you can find nothing. So mysterious. You know, I just would like to book something face-to-face instead of online. I end up came to this Bravo, Peru. The lady explained it very well, but I don't have money with me, so maybe I'll come back the other day. This place looks very nice too. See all the chairs and tables. It's so lovely. And that's one at the terrace. Wow. Beautiful place. And beside it is a church. So people just get drunk right next to the church. Well, I have to come back again. Up there is also restaurants, I believe. Alright, this is the central area of Arequipa. I think this plaza is called Plaza de Armas. And there's a big church. It is exactly like Antigua, but with a bigger space. Let's take a look of this place. 360 degrees. Look at this. It looks so wealthy, huh? There are lots of people, but I don't feel crowded at all because it's very spacious. How can you not fall in love with Arequipa? Another very nice church. That's a chifa. I'm hungry. Let's go to the market and eat. We are going to Mercado San Camilo. Tapamas, indoor. It's quite an organized market because it's separated into different sections. Now I need food. I need to eat first, but then we can walk around. I would like to get some juice first because I don't want to drink any more into cola. It is delicious, but it's chemical, it's sugary. The juice bar is all the way from there to the other side. This Sonora recommend me this fruit for the camera with orange. So I have my own bottle with me. Wow, it looks so bright here. Oh, grande! Wow. Oh, they have tuna too and starfruit. ¿Puede comer solamente?
Sí, también. Ahorita le doy. Sí.
Ah.
Ahorita le doy un poco.
Ah, gracias. People in Latin America, they love evaporated milk. Look at the strawberry here, it's huge. This is my juice. Let's find a place where I can sit down and eat. Oh, by the way, the juice is the Sole, which is around $2.50. Let's check out this one upstairs. Let's go into this big one. Mini restaurant and eat that. Ooh. Interesting, huh? Oh, so this is not one restaurant, it's like a food court. So I will try this Rocoto from Pastel de Papa.
Let's try the juice. I only taste the orange, but it's very thick. It's like blend with sweet potato.
Look at this. Wow. Let's take it. This is the pasta. So delicious. The sauce is with peanuts, and this is like a bell pepper. It has some meat stuffing. Oh, but it is cold. I think it is an olive. Yeah, a lot of cheese. Well, my lunch is so delicious and fulfilling. This market is huge. It's separated into different categories, like the supermarket. See, there's a lot of cheese shop, but it looks different than those in Mexico. And here they have fish. Yeah, I don't know what kind of fish they're selling. And these are like potato sort of thing, but I don't know what they are. And there's a giant pumpkin. The avocado here is huge. This is the fruit section. I think I'll get something. Oh, it has a lot of strawberries. Medio quiero que esto, por favor. Half a kilo of strawberry is only $1. ¿Qué es?
Kiwi.
Ah, kiwi, pero la forma es diferente. Ah, kiwi de aquí. Oh,
Es chileno.
es chileno. Oh, interesante. Y este
Kaki.
Kaki es de Perú.
Sí, eso sí.
Ajá. Gracias. I don't remember how that thing we call in English, but half a kilo is 9 soles, which is less than $2.50. Look at the papaya. What food I should get for 1 week? It's a little bit challenging, huh? Championes, cebolla y esto. Ya, por favor. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
A ver. 10.30.
It was 10.30. 2 carrots and 1 cucumber. ¿Cuánto?
$1.30.
Y un jengibre, por favor, chiquito.
Jengibre chiquito.
Sí, chiquito, por favor.
¿Está bien?
Sí.
Sí. Sería $1.60.
Esto también. Y 2 tomates, por favor. Tomate no, grande.
Grande.
Este. Es rojo, sí.
Este.
Sí, muy bien, gracias.
3.50.
I think I will go to the second floor again and have some cheese ice cream. Queso ice cream. See, we are mixing it in a bowl, which is surrounded by ice. That's the local cheese ice cream. They sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top of it. I don't taste too much cheese, but a lot of milk. My portion is 3 soles. If you order 1 liter, it's 10 soles. In downtown, they also sell the cheese ice cream for 3 soles, but it's only half of the size. And the one that I have is more delicious. That's what I got from the market today. And I got this for washing dishes. It's 2.50 soles. Just came home to drop off my groceries. Now I have to go to the supermarket to pick up some pasta sauce. It's very cheap to eat here. You can just pay 9 or 10 soles per plate. But I would prefer to eat more healthy with more vegetables and less meat. Local protest! What's going on? Well, it's always more or less the same thing, right? In this situation, it's better to leave ASAP. I just picked up some stuff from the supermarket. It's a nice supermarket, but it's tiny. It seems like everyone was looking at me, so I couldn't film inside there. In the next episode, we will go on a 2-day 1-night Coca Canyon tour. It's gonna be in a 2-part video. In part 1, we will check out the wild vacunas on the highway, try the Peruvian tea to avoid altitude sickness, and experience a natural hot spring. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye!